Meaning of individualism.
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 Individualism. Individualism is a social and political philosophy that emphasizes the importance of individual autonomy, self-reliance, and freedom. It values individual rights and interests over those of the collective or society as a whole. Individualists believe that people should be free to pursue their own goals and ambitions without interference from outside forces. This can lead to a competitive and meritocratic society where success is determined by one's abilities and efforts. However, individualism can also lead to a lack of social cohesion and cooperation, and may result in unequal outcomes for different individuals and groups.